Hello everyone, I'm Lim Raven.
This video is about the group assignment of EEE382, which is the probability and engineering statistics. These are our group members. In this video, we will discuss about the usage of probability and statistics, type of probability distribution, and the application.
Hi, my name is Chong and I'm going to present the usage of probability and statistics in general. Probability. Probability is the study of random events. The probability theory is very much helpful for making predictions and estimation as it is used in analyzing game of chance, genetics, weather predictions, and any other everyday events. Next, statistic. Statistic is the mathematics we use to collect, organize, and interpret numerical data and gaining information from these sets of data. Statistical tools are at work in almost every area of life, including agriculture, business, engineering, medicine, law, regulations, and any other sections. Probability and statistics are closely linked because statistical data are frequently analyzed to see whether conclusion can be made correctly about a particular phenomena and also making prediction about the future events. It is very essential for us to understand the probability and statistics in this modern world because the print and electronic media are full of statistical information and interpretation. And that's all for the usage of probability and statistics in general. And now I'll pass it on to the next student for the next part.
My name is ZHAN MING and I'm going to explain about these three types of probability distributions.
First, binomial distribution. Binomial distribution is a discrete probability distribution. It is used when there are exactly two mutually exclusive outcomes of a trial and these outcomes are labeled as success and failure. This is the binomial distribution formula where B is the binomial probability, X is the total number of successes, N is the number of trials, P is probability of success on a single trial, and Q is the probability of failure. Next, Poisson distribution. Poisson distribution is a discrete probability distribution that shows how many times an event will occur in a specific period of time, and the events are independent to each other. This is the Poisson distribution formula, where P is the Poisson probability, X is the total number of successes, lambda is the average number of outcomes per unit time, and E is the constant. Lastly is normal distribution. Normal distribution, also known as Gaussian distribution, is a probability distribution that are symmetrical about the mean. The graph will appear as a bell curve graph. This is the normal distribution formula, where n is the normal probability, mu is mean, sigma is standard deviation, pi and e are both constant. Normal distribution is a continuous probability distribution, unlike binomial and Poisson distribution. The area under the curve bounded by two ordinates x equals to a and x equals to b equals to the formula below. Since the integration is difficult, we can standardize the value of normal distribution to standard normal distribution with the value of mean equals to 0 and standard deviation equals to 1, which is known as z-score. The random variable x is transformed to z by using the formula below.
I'm Lim Jiahua and today I'm going to present the application of binomial distribution in daily life. Many instances of binomial distribution can be found in real life. For example, if a new drug is introduced to cure disease, it is either successful or is a failure. So, binomial distribution is widely used in testing a new drug efficiency. So, for example, suppose that 80% of adults with allergy report recovered with a specific medication. If the medication is given to 10 new patients with allergy, what is the probability that it is effective in exactly 7 recover from the allergy? So we got the n equals to 10 and x 7. P is 0.8, which is the recovery rate, and Q is 0.2. We sub all the value into the formula and we got 20.13 probability, which means that 20.13 probability that exactly 7 out of 10 patients will recover from the allergy when the recovery rate is 80%. Thank you. That's all from me.